Hello and good day. Welcome to our YouTube channel Empowerment. Today's video will be all about angel number 6969, meaning and symbolism. 10 topics on today's video will be as follows. What's the meaning of angel number 6969? What's the symbolism of 6969? What is the spiritual significance? What does the 6969 mean for love? What does 6969 mean for twin flames? What does 6969 for manifestation? How does angel number 6969 affect finances? What does 6969 mean for former relationships? How does 6969 guide your work life? What are the strengths of angel number 6969? What are the weaknesses of angel number 6969? What's the meaning of angel number 6969? Angel number 6969 signifies a powerful cycle of endings, transformation, and personal evolution. It combines the nurturing, home-focused energy of the number 6 with the spiritual and humanitarian energy of the number 9. When repeated, this number suggests that you are being called to release outdated attachments and make room for spiritual growth and emotional clarity. The number encourages finding harmony between your responsibilities and your soul mission. It's a divine message urging you to let go of what no longer serves you and prepare for a higher purpose. Your angels are guiding you toward a more meaningful path. What's the symbolism of angel number 6969? Angel number 6969 symbolizes the cyclical nature of life, endings leading to new beginnings. The presence of 6 highlights themes of love, care, family, and responsibility, while 9 symbolizes completion, wisdom, and spiritual ascension. Together, 6969 is a message about balance between the physical and spiritual world. It calls for emotional release, letting go of past burdens, and embracing transformation. The symmetry of the number also suggests harmony after a period of emotional or spiritual upheaval. Seeing this number is a reminder that through release and forgiveness, you create space for abundance, peace, and deeper soul alignment. What is the angel number 6969 spiritual significance? Spiritually, 6969 is a profound sign of awakening and soul alignment. It indicates you're nearing the end of an important spiritual chapter and are being guided to embrace new lessons that better serve your soul's evolution. The number 6 calls for compassion and service, while 9 urges spiritual enlightenment and the release of ego-driven patterns. Your angels are encouraging you to deepen your connection to the divine and trust in the unfolding process. This number also signifies karmic resolution. Old debts are being cleared so that you can ascend to a higher level of spiritual understanding and emotional freedom. What does the angel number 6969 mean for love? In love, 6969 represents deep emotional transformation. It may suggest the need to let go of toxic dynamics, outdated beliefs, or emotional codependency in order to create a healthier, more fulfilling relationship. If you're in a relationship, it encourages both partners to grow individually and support each other's spiritual path. If you're single, 6969 indicates a time of inner healing before attracting a meaningful connection. This number emphasizes unconditional love, forgiveness, and emotional maturity. By releasing emotional baggage, you open yourself to a more balanced and spiritually aligned relationship based on mutual respect and authentic connection. What does angel number 6969 mean for twin flames? For twin flames, 6969 signifies karmic resolution and emotional clearing necessary for union or reunion. It may appear when one or both twin flames are being guided to let go of past wounds, codependency, or unbalanced attachments. The energy of 9 highlights spiritual maturity and inner growth, while 6 encourages unconditional love and harmony. This number is often seen during periods of separation or transformation, indicating that the connection is being spiritually recalibrated. Twin flames must first find inner peace and heal emotional wounds before coming together in harmony. 6969 assures you that the divine is guiding this process. What does angel number 6969 for manifestation? Angel number 6969 supports the repeated SIXS call for grounded intentions rooted in care and community, while nines encourage you to release limiting beliefs or attachments that block your flow. When you manifest from a place of emotional healing and spiritual awareness, abundance naturally follows. 6969 reminds you that letting go of the old is essential to making room for the new, especially when manifesting true purpose and joy. How does angel number 6969 affect finances? Financially, angel number 6969 suggests that balance and ethical choices are key to abundance. The number 6 brings focus to domestic needs and responsibilities, while 9 encourages detachment from materialism and urges you to pursue meaningful, value-driven work. You may be prompted to re-evaluate your relationship with money and let go of unhealthy patterns like overspending, scarcity mindset, or fear. Financial healing is possible when you align your resources with your spiritual purpose. Generosity and gratitude will attract greater abundance. This number may also signal an ending in a job or financial habit that no longer aligns with your growth. What does angel number 6969 mean for former relationships? Angel number 6969 highlights the importance of healing from former relationships and finding closure. It calls you to release guilt, resentment, or emotional ties that hinder your personal growth. The energy of 9 is especially about letting go, while 6 emphasizes forgiveness and emotional responsibility. This number often appears when you are ready to clear emotional baggage and make peace with your past. It's not necessarily about rekindling old flames, but rather about learning the lessons and moving forward with wisdom. By clearing space emotionally, you prepare yourself for healthier future relationships built on understanding and maturity. How does angel number 6969 guide your work life? In your work life, angel number 6969 encourages pursuing a path that aligns with your higher values and emotional well-being. It may be time to reassess whether your current career is in alignment with your soul's mission. The number 6 emphasizes responsibility and service, while 9 points toward purpose and spiritual fulfillment. If you're feeling unfulfilled, this number could signal a transition or the need to let go of a job that no longer serves you. Your angels support a career based on authenticity, creativity, and meaningful impact. Seek work that not only pays the bills but nourishes your soul. What are the strengths of angel number 6969? The strengths of angel number 6969 lie in emotional depth, spiritual wisdom, and resilience. Individuals influenced by this number are often empathetic, nurturing, and deeply intuitive. They possess the capacity to heal themselves and others and are often drawn to helping professions or creative paths. Their ability to balance care for others with spiritual awareness allows them to create harmony in relationships and communities. This number fosters strength through vulnerability and teaches how to find power in letting go. It also enhances one's ability to evolve emotionally and spiritually, making it a strong symbol of personal transformation and growth. What are the weaknesses of angel number 6969? The weaknesses associated with angel number 6969 include emotional overdependence, difficulty letting go, and fear of change. The nurturing aspect of number 6 can sometimes lead to martyrdom or staying in unhealthy situations out of guilt or obligation. Meanwhile, the spiritual detachment of number may 9 cause avoidance or emotional distancing if not balanced. People influenced by this number might struggle with clinging to the past or resisting necessary endings. Without conscious effort, they can get stuck in cycles of emotional turbulence. The key is learning to release with